whisper my name in the still of the night. Mirrors reflecting 1,000 bright lights, falling through moments, unravel the code. The path is unfolding and I am alone. Questions like shadows, answers as the rain. Clouds in the distance, dissolving the pain. Lifted and turning, I slip past the edge. Inside the spiral, I let myself pledge. Breathe in the magic, exhale the fear. Limitless dreaming, I know you are near. Through all illusions, lost and found, flowing through senses. Space in my mind, round and around, deeper I go. Caught in the spiral, I already know. Gravity bends to the truth I reveal. Freedom is silence, and silence can heal. Round and around, I return to the start. Cycles of meaning awaken my heart. Right in this vision where nothing is real. Lost in the spiral, I'm longing to feel. Take me higher, through all the layers of sound. I am lighter, drifting where I won't be found. Eyes wide open, surrender the sight. Lost in the motion between day and night. Echoes of futures distant and close, merging with shadows and memories ghosts. All that I gather slips through my hands, learning to travel these far inner lands. Weight of the old world is fading away. Inside the spiral, I choose now to stay. Breathe in the starlight, let go the fall. Channels of vision are breaking the wall, flowing together. Waves on the sand, all of the answers are here where I stand. Round and around, deeper I go. Caught in the spiral, I already know. Gravity bends to the truth I reveal. Freedom is silence, and silence can heal. Round and around, I return to the start. Cycles of meaning awaken my heart. Right in this vision when nothing is real. Lost in the spiral, I'm longing to feel. I touch the sky within my chest, lightning and thunder in my breath. And this return, eternal flight. We are the day, we are the night. Through all surrender, through all despair, the spiral calls me, I find you there. Paper dreams in shifting time. Midnight whispers on the street. Imagine places we could meet. Every step a memory lost inside